Lights, camera, chin. Come in, it's open.
Hi.
Hello. You look ravishing.
Hi, Jedi.
Hello, Anna.
How are you?
I am fantastic. I'm almost ready for the sauce. Would you give me a hand and just finish it on the table real quick?
Okay.
Just a moment here. Got some good gluten-free noodles from Aldi.
Wonderful.
Garlic, oregano, nice Italian feast. The
Wow.
roast is ready in the oven.
Italian? Oh, yeah.
You gotta have all kinds of exotic cuisine, right?
It smells good.
A little bit of my secret. That's the main. That is.
I love your home. This is beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. It's quite fun being a multifamily investor. I've actually got a couple tenants over that way, so.
Oh.
Yeah. So I don't, ever have to worry about paying rent.
Okay, that's smart, intelligent. So,
Just a moment, just a moment. You're about to taste heaven. Just a little more garlic.
So what's in that? Shrimp, I see, or mussels?
Yeah, some nice mussels.
Ooh.
Oh, the other stuff's even better.
Okay.
So, take this off, and let's get ready to have a wonderful dinner, my dear. Cut. Okay, so fun, hustle, bustle. Guys, pay attention on these tips. Keep the door unlocked for her. You need to make everything easy. And you need to be busy so she just gets caught up in the action and doesn't have time to think.
Yeah, I was not thinking.
Like, I wouldn't even tell her the script for this one because I had to keep her on her toes. Okay? Cooking is a wonderful art. Yes, it's the way to a man's stomach, but they get hungry more than we do. And if you feed them exquisite meal, something nice and hearty but not too heavy. We talked about the mussels in there. That's an aphrodisiac. So, you set the mood, you do things right. The reason I had for the plate setting there is I just had to have a little bit to see how she just follows directions. So you're getting her to follow your lead.
How did I do?
You did wonderful, dear. And on the topic of leading, I do want to touch on that one because I know it's a touchy topic for people.
Yes.
Leading is not some domineering, you're going to do what I want, they're not your slave. It's the leader leads by example. Pick where you're going to eat, what you're going to do, just have something planned out.
Yes.
So she can just get swept away in the experience. So, this is finishing up the prep for dinner, and you get her something to exquisite, something to taste. You're not quite done. Don't ever have the meal already on the table.
Why?
Because, like I said, you want her in the hustle and bustle and the movement. You want her to feel that she's part of the meal, that she contributed. So not only did you see her following orders, you're helping her feel good that she got to be a part of something. And she already tasted how exquisite it was. So it's getting her future pacing, thinking about what's coming next. If she's already enjoying herself and excited this much when she walks in the door, you just play the roller coaster of emotions to where you want to go. So we'll see you tomorrow at 10:11, and a happy early Thanksgiving to everybody. Also, one last tidbit. Tomorrow. Well, no, not tomorrow. Friday. Black Friday's coming up.
Yes.
So we're going to start pre-sales of the Sex Secret documentary to teach you everything you desire to know about sex and how to seduce.
Exciting.
So, coming up. See us check in tomorrow, 10:11 a.m. for more details. More spoilers.